Hello and welcome to Chandara Academy. Today we're going to solve one of the exercises of the 2021 exam. It's about integrals. These three integrals are simple integrals that everybody your age should understand and solve easily. So let's go for it. The first one. So I is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of f of x dx when f of x is equal 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So what you should know here is that f is a polynomial function, okay? Function, and those are really easy to integrate. So let's remember a little bit about the derivatives. So if I've got a function a times x to the n power, if I derivate it, okay, so it's equal to n times a times x of s minus 1. So we will want to do the inverse operation, which is called integration. Okay? So when you've got something like a times x to the n power, you can integrate it following quite the same rule. So a over n plus 1 times x to the n plus 1's power. Okay, so that's something you should do. And what is a polynomial function? It is just the sum of some terms, monoms, that are easy to integrate. So let's now integrate our function from 0 to 1 of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx, okay, is equal to 3x 2 plus 1 power over 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, minus 2x 1 plus 1 power over 2. So 1 plus 1. Okay, plus x to 0 power plus, so 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, so that taken between 0 and 1, so is equal to, let's just simplify 3 and 3, 2 and 2, and 1 and 1. Okay, so it's equal to x to the third power minus x squared plus x between 0 and 1, so is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0, those being the values when x is equal to 0. Okay, so easily it's equal to 1, and to answer the question, I is equal to 1. First one, easy one, the most simple you could do. Okay, so number 2, what have we got here? So we've got the integral from 0 to 1 of exponential of x over exponential of x plus 1. It seems difficult, may scare you, but it's not. So g is equal to j is equal to 12 from 0 to 1 of f of exponential of x exponential of x plus 1 dx. So what you should do here, a quotient, so fraction is not really easy to do. But what you should see here is that these two things are really similar. And if you go further, you could see that you've got this function there, and the derivative of exponential of x plus 1 is equal to exponential of x. Okay, and that's what's over it. Okay, so we've got 0 to 1 of exponential of x plus 1 prime over exponential of x plus 1 dx, of course. That's something you should look for. Okay, look for this kind of stuff and detect because you will practice. That's something that comes with time, so no problem, you've seen it, and you know that something that has the form of sum of u prime over u dx is equal ln log of u. So why not set u is equal to exponential of x plus 1, and so j is equal to ln of exponential of x plus 1 taken between x is equal 0 and x is equal 1. So it's equal ln of 1 plus e minus ln of 1 plus 1, so 2 is equal ln 1 plus e over 2 using the logarithm properties, and we just answered our question. So now integral number 3, which is called k, and k is equal the integral from pi over 4 to pi over 2 of sine to the third power of x times cosinus of x dx. Just as when we calculated g, you've got to see that a cosinus is sinus prime of x, and so you've got something like u to the third power of x times u prime of x. And you know how to integrate that. That's just equal dx equal u to the fourth power of x over 4. That's something you should know, and it's always the same thing. So k using u is equal sinus of x, k is equal sinus to the fourth power of x over 4 taken between x is equal pi over 4 and x is equal pi over 2. Okay, so it's equal sinus of x is equal pi over 2. Let's remember, this is our trigonometric circle, pi over 2. So this is pi over 2. So the cosinus is equal to 1. So 1/4 minus square root of 2 over 2. to the fourth power, so square root of 2 to the fourth over 2 to the fourth times 1 over 4. So that's equal to 1 over 4 minus 4 over 16 times 1 over 4 is equal to 16 minus 4 over 4 times 16 is equal to 12 times 2 to 2 power to 2 to the fourth. So 12 is equal to 3 times 2 to 2. So let's just simplify here and here. Is equal to 3/16. Okay, so we answer the question. K is equal to 3/16. Okay. And we are done. So what you have to remember, so you can find some easy function to integrate. So the one you know, logarithm, exponential, easy one, polynomials, and addition of simple functions. Okay. What is more difficult is, for instance, products of functions, quotient of function, and you have to look for something that seems like u prime or u, and which you can simplify using the composition of function you know, just as logarithm of u, exponential of u, so logarithm of u, which has as derivative u prime over u, exponential of u, u prime exponential of u, and 1 over u minus u prime over u squared. You have to look for this kind of forms and just solve the equation. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.